captivating historic building in Seminole Heights. Welcome to a unique opportunity to own a piece of history in the heart of Seminole Heights. This enchanting aged building, with its timeless architecture, presents a rare chance for those with a passion for restoration and a vision for transformation. While the building is in need of repair, it presents a rare opportunity for those with a passion for restoration. Imagine bringing this piece of history back to life while putting your own mark on its story. If you have the vision and the passion for restoration, this property could be your next exciting project. The layout of the building offers versatile spaces that can be adapted to various uses. Whether you envision a unique residence, an art studio, or a community space, the possibilities are endless. This property is surrounded by a vibrant community, trendy eateries, and local shops. Enjoy the convenience of being close to everything while still relishing the peaceful atmosphere. Contact me for more information and to schedule a viewing.